Hi, welcome to my channel from Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I'm taking part in hashtag Double Click Connect Challenge hosted by Carrie over at Double Click Connect. This month was, you could do a Halloween like collars or just use the collars, certain colors orange, and you didn't have to do exactly a Halloween theme. So these are my dewdrops that I ordered from Carrie. Look how cute. She always makes the cutest little cards. And she said, hey bestie, have fun with these collars, XOXO Carrie. And so here are my thank you, and I will. I did. I like to use these in all of my projects. And then of course she always sends some cute these little pieces of ephemera. These are for the Halloween. Oh, look at those cute little ghosts. So cute. Bottle, looks like a bottle of eyeballs, some beakers. So cute, thank you. And then here's all the Pasteloween. Look at that ghost with his glasses. So cute. These are the Pasteloweens, and then just your traditional colors. And you can order these dewdrops. They're $5 a set, and she always gives you a free sample. So this is my free sample. I think this has glitter in it. These look like they might be glitter. Yeah, glitter Christmas collars, which will be coming up. So of course I will be using those. $5 a set. It includes shipping. So this is $5, and then this was $5. So, and you get 100 dewdrops altogether. And I will link Carrie's YouTube channel and her Etsy shop and her Instagram where you can reach her to order your dewdrops. I am in a swap, so I needed to make a bag topper. So that's what I made with, there's different collections in here. I just used this sticker. I put a little tiny rosette here with some little cobweb thread, a candy corn. This is KS, not, what is that, Cane Company. Carrie gave me this wooden kitty last year in a swap. And then I cut these words out, layered them up on some cardboard a few times. I inked it, then I went over it with the glossy accents, which I just love doing that. It just gives it a pretty shine. If I cut it with cardboard, I cut it with cardboard and 3 layers of 110-pound cardstock, and then the thin layer of this paper here. And then I made I've got the KS Craft Ruffle die. I cannot get it to work. I ordered a shim from Temu. I still can't get it to work. So I went and watched, I think her name is Septeria18. I'll link her channel down below because I mentioned it. She had a tutorial on how to just do these by hand. So this is the first time I've ever tried to make these by hand. Of course, they're not the best, but it worked. So I just made some different size ones, just practicing. So I don't know if there's a better technique, but this is how I did it. And those dies are useless to me. They won't work at all for me. So that's what's behind here. And I just added that gold Dollar Tree ribbon here, but I cut it in half. And then I added a purple dewdrop, an orange dewdrop, and a black dewdrop, and a button, and a star, and the stars from Magical Mixery. So let's go ahead and find us a bag. I don't think I need that big one. Ooh, I like this one. This one's fun. This one isn't a self-sealing bag, but it is super fun. So I'm in a swap, and I'm going to send my swap partner these cute little socks that I got at Joann's Fabrics. So let's get some double-sided tape. Okay, just put some double-sided tape there. And I really hope my swap partner will like these socks. I'm just going to stick this right on top of here. And take my little tiny attacher. There we go. And then there's my bag topper, and then my entry into Carrie over Double Click Connects Challenge. Tomorrow's the last day, so you still have time if you want to jump in and create something. You do not have to send your entry or anything in, and you could win a set of dewdrops for entering her challenge, and you can enter as many times throughout the month as you would like to enter. Had a lot of fun making this, and I hope my swap partner likes it. And thank you, Carrie, for having me in your challenge, and I hope y'all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having so much fun while you're watching this video, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.